Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to share a Google Drive link on WhatsApp. Really easy and simple to do. So all you have to do first off is head over to your Google Drive application and open that up. So I'll just search for Drive here and open up my Drive application. Now what you're going to do is find the file that you want to send on WhatsApp. So you're just going to find it and then click on the three dots beside that file. So just click on the three dots, and then it'll open up this right here. You just want to ensure that you click on this thing that says link sharing off. And then what this is going to do, it's going to allow link sharing to turn on, and it's going to copy the link for you so people can see and open the file. So what you want to do now is you want to exit out of the Drive application and head over to WhatsApp. And then all you want to do is just open up a conversation with the person that you want to send it to. Scroll down to their name, click their name, and then you want to go ahead and long press, and then just click on paste. And then it would send them a direct file link to the Google Drive file that you wanted to show them. So you just go ahead and send that. And then if you click on it, you'll notice that they have access to the file that you sent them, and they'll be able to comment and download it and save it and stuff like that. So I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you how to send Google Drive links on WhatsApp. If this was helpful to you, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.